when you come my way. Listen what I have to say, girl, don't you ever stray. People tell us if you live, call me, I got this you. But me know so you know, so I can't I love you. Before me left you, say my kiss I know you. Tell us I love you. People talk things about you, and that is not true.
Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going on the road. I'm gonna have the day to myself. Yes, so I'm going to the mall. I'm gonna do my makeup right now. I'm so excited. I'm ready. I'm in a dress. I think I'm gonna wear sneakers with this dress. Not sure, but I'm gonna get my makeup done and then I'll check in back with you guys.
For the money, yeah, me want the money. Yo, anywhere me go, man, I pray the money. Chrissy day in the house, I me a cook for money. So no girl coulda never say she freak for money. Also the money, yeah, me want the money. Yo, anywhere me go, man, I pray the money. Chrissy day in the first up. Into the board. Never let me go. Into the board. Want it home. Girl, I'm a fly, girl, I'm a need. Can't send me eat, yeah. I don't wanna get you wet.
So I am done with my makeup. How you guys like it? You see them edges? Anyway, it's time to go. I'll show you guys when I put my shoes on what I'm wearing. It's just a little dress, you know, with my simple makeup look. So
be true to yourself. No girl, not try style you. If you don't try style them.
So guys, I am ready. I got my glam visory accessories on. I have a necklace set with the chain and the bracelet for it. Really cute. This is my dress. Let's see if you guys can see. And I am wearing, well, I can't see, so I'm never showing my body. Anyway, I'm wearing a dress. I don't know which bag to bring. I have this Moschino little kilomate pants spot, I call it, or the Gucci knapsack here. Both of them can go up on the back. I think the purse in this, so I think I'm gonna bring this one because I can put it on my back like this. I can either do this like so, or I could take off one of the straps, and I have the option to do it like this also. Or I can do it like this, you know, which is cute. I can probably put it over me, extend it, put it over me also. But this is also cute. Or the bigger knapsack, which is this one, like we'll go to school. So anyway, you see my edges. Oh, I'm on fleek. Let me show you my shoes that I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this Gucci shoes with the socks. You probably can't see the beauty of it. I know not say them shoes here ugly, but it's unique, okay? So this is what I'm wearing with my dress. Yeah. And put my anklet them over it. I have another one over this with the Gucci socks. I don't like it up too much, so I kind of ruffle it. But this is it. Stay tuned. We're going on the road together. How my makeup look? Comment and tell me how my makeup look. It's flawless in my opinion. I like these earrings. I'll be wearing them I get them from Glam Visory. And you know, my ear is just in a bun. It not wrap good, but that's what's up. So stay tuned, guys. See? Yeah. Guys, I'm in the car. It's time for me to go. I'm eating my crackers. Yes. So Shane is home with the kids. I'm me at the road by myself. No kids. Yeah. That's how it is today. Friday evening. Have some time to myself.
My girl, you make my day every time when you come my way. Listen what I have to say, girl, don't you ever stray. People tell us if you live, call me, I got this you, but me know so you know I can't I love you. Before me leave the house, yeah, my kiss I know you, tell us I love you. People talk things about.
Alright guys, so I'm at the mall. First place I'm going to Hermes to return the sandals that Kushane bought. See if they have a bigger size, and I do have a 4 o'clock appointment, and I have 10 minutes, so I have to hurry up because I have to make appointments. So we gotta run, but I'll keep you guys posted. I'm actually in Neiman Marcus.
My girl, why you make me feel like this? Every time when you come around and take me, I tell her, say me want you be my queen. Girl, and you me a sin of my dream. Girl, me love you from the start and me know you know this. So all who did that top pen paper know this. Who look here me well if I open no notice. We secret them speak it, how they go leak it. Cut them off them friendship, we don't need it.
Guys, we're in Hermes. They have the man one. I love it. You know, so if it's 42, can fit me a man one here. But the yellow is also pretty.
So in the Hermes in West that you purchased, you go to buy the
This is the color I have.
already in the system.
It's CL42 fit.
I'll take you on the register here.
Guys, this is the man's slippers, right? It's a 41. If it can't fit a man's size, I have to take. I actually like it too because I cannot get back my money, so I'd have to just take something else. And really and truly, they don't have much to choose from. So if it's not this, they have this one. But I think I like the man one more. Yeah, I like this one more. What do you guys think? So guys, finally I changed my sandals and we're going to Louis Vuitton and get a little thing for my party. Anyway, we're going into Apple. We're going to get an iPad for my business, but Apple line is so long. I don't know why I have no phone. Phone not come up long time. The line still so long. Anyway, let's hope I can go in there. Even though my phone screen won't fix, I'll probably have to make an appointment and see. But we're going to go inside Apple and get a iPad. Your love. Anyways, so I went to Apple, boy, to them, me a spending up. So anyway, me get my iPad here. Me get an iPad because I wanted something to use for business purposes instead of using the laptop when me in a bed, something more like the phone. So I got an iPad. Why I say that is being that I'm researching the skincare stuff, sometimes it's just hard to use the phone, and me is not a laptop person. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get me an iPad. So I bought the iPad. It's a business iPad anyway. My phone screen, my phone is not backed up from last year May. I have 512 gigabytes. Really? Me not purchase. It's so funny, so me I pay for storage for somebody else, and me not have it for myself. So me just purchased storage. So it'll take me a couple of days. So I made an appointment to come and fix my phone. So I have to come back next week Tuesday. So I need at least 3 days to back up this phone. But anyway, I'm leaving the mall. Leaving the mall now. I'm just gonna get something to eat and then go home. You know me love my belly. Can't come from the road and not eat food. Them a try make me not eat, but me not look. Go drink protein shake. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Anyway, we exit back Guys, guess what? I am all the way in Orange City. Yes. I think it's past. Let me show you. I've come to get me some Puerto Rican food.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
So I'm gonna get me some Puerto Rican food right now. I'm excited to get me some rice. Come. Anyway, yeah guys, we're gonna eat some Puerto Rican food. Lilo's. That's the sign right there. Anyway, we're going inside. You know how far we drive? 51 minutes just to get some Puerto Rican food. But I'm so hungry. Hungry and excited. So I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. I'm almost done with the road. Guess what too? I got pushing something, so I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna show it to you guys when I get home. So guys, this is what I'm eating. Listen, we come late, drove an hour. I only get a little bit of rice. It's in this cup right here. So this is my plate. Veggies is nice, plantains are sweet, and the piece of chicken breast, you know, well done. So the rice here, Puerto Rican rice. So I'm gonna dig in right now. We have some extra veggies too. Craving. Hey guys, guess what? I am home, and yeah, I enjoyed my day. I eat my little Puerto Rican dinner. I'll come back and eat some more, and I'm gonna get ready, take a shower so I can cuddle with my baby. Kids are sleeping, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So this is everything I got. This is the slippers that I returned from Hermes. This is my tablet. I got me an iPod. What this me buy? Babes, what your name? iPad? Yeah, this is an iPad here. Push enough to go set it up. Oh snap, I got something from Louis Vuitton for my key, for my my car key. It's really cute. I'm gonna put my house keys and my car keys. That's where it go. Come girl, come out. Let me show the people in the room. The shadow, that's a shade. Anyway, this is it. Absolutely beautiful. I discovered something. So your key again got it, so I can put my cards in it too, hang out my key and just have it right there. So I'll show you guys when I set that up. And you know, I'm gonna go up on the road. I'm gonna buy something for myself. I'm gonna get Pushy in a shirt from Armani Exchange, and I got him something from Versace. So I'm not gonna show you. That is not my business, but I'm just telling him something. Get him something too. I wanna selfish around here. So that's what's up. I enjoyed my day. Like I said, it's time for me to go take a shower. I should have, let me show you guys the slippers that I got. To be honest, it's a man's slippers. Alright guys, so here we go. This is it. You like it? And the manual. So this is it. I'm gonna put it on my foot. What you want to put on my slippers? You don't like it? It even look like a man's slippers. Guys, tell me what you guys think. You like it? So this is it. Yeah. Fit my foot. My foot broad enough, so. And I think it's cute. Comment and tell me if you guys like it. Yeah. So I exchanged it for this. I had to pay a little bit more. But Christian, I got transfer back my money because he's responsible for this. So that's, it smells so good. I got 2 samples of perfume. Oh wait there, no sample but smell of perfume. But that is it guys. So I'm gonna put my keys on this. I'll show it to you guys. Can walk with it like that with my key hang out, and then my house key then hang up inside of here. If I have a specific card and my license, I can walk with it in this. So So that's it. Shane will show you the stuff that I bought for him. I'm gonna deal with my iPad. Right, this so I need a case for that. But today was wonderful. I feel good. Go up on the road, coming back. I feel so good. Thank you, Lord, for bringing me back home safe to my family. Yeah, so we're gonna do after dark, but I'm gonna take a shower so I can mingle with the baby, and then it's after dark time. Thank you guys for staying. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if there's any other videos that you want me to do, just send me a message or leave a comment. All right, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Always remember that God is love. Yes, and we have to put him first. Stay positive, stay blessed. Until next time, I'm out.